Hey everybody, I'm Dave Dobson. I'm the host of Motorhead Garage. We're on ESPN, Discovery Turbo, and everywhere you stream video. We've got our friends from GoPowerSports here in the shop, and I'm really excited to see their new quad. I'm hoping they let me take it for a spin. I'm gonna burn the tires out. Cut! All right, Motorheads, if you're like me, you've wanted a go-kart your entire life, and if you're like me, you probably never finished it because it can get complicated. You're looking for all the right stuff. You're kind of Frankensteining it, Jason, just trying to find scrap parts wherever you can. How does GoPowerSports make it easy to build a go-kart or to build a mini bike?
Our journey begins, oh my goodness, it's almost 9 p.m. out here in Fort Worth, Texas. I'm getting gas. We're gonna load up the truck with the quad, get its tires all done up nice and pretty so we don't mess them up before the shoot. And we're going to be on our way to go pick up Bernier. So, great job on the build there.
All right, where are we at? What are we doing?
Man, it is Tuesday night, like at 10:30 at night. We're on our way to ESPN, also known as ESPN. I'm hoping I hit Nashville by like 7 or 8 a.m. in the morning, give me some breakfast, and tag out. I'm ready to roll. How far did you make it?
Can you do that again for the video? Just take your return.
Hey everybody, it's 7:30 a.m. We've made it to Nashville. Here at Milk and Honey. Gonna get some grub on. I'm gonna take a nap and throw my keys to someone else. So I'm ready to eat.
On a scale from 1 to 10.
Give it a 7.
7?
I'm gonna leave some room for improvement.
Yeah. Roast my biscuits.
You go to GoPowerSports.com, we have everything you need for go-karts and mini bikes, old and new. If you just wanted to get some OEM parts to get your mini bike or go-kart up and running, we've got you. If you want to take that go-kart and make it even faster, we've got you as well.
What's the range of products I can get from GoPowerSports when I go to your website?
We start with nuts and bolts, gaskets, we have tires, we have rims, engines from stock engines to super performance engines, handlebars, anything you need for your unit, we will stock.
So this is where we're staying? So we're here, and then tomorrow, how far is the place from here? 10 minutes? Oh, nice.
We're not supposed to be there till 10?
Yeah.
Is that right?
That's a late morning.
No cracks?
No cracks.
Beautiful.
Can I roll?
Yes.
That's just how we roll.
That's just how we roll.
The whole machine looks completely different.
Yeah. There are whole YouTube channels dedicated to this kind of stuff. Good ASMR.
Oh, dang it. I might have to.
Now we're going to get some food. We're going to rest up out at the beautiful Bristol house. Then Taylor's going to wow and dazzle the people at ESPN.
That is the goal.
And then we're on our way to Nashville to get some bomb barbecue.
One of y'all down to do a fake Cribs episode with me?
Jason will be great at that.
Just kidding. Come on in. This is Jason over at GoPowerSports.
Yeah.
Got me.
I'm gonna do that like boom, boom, boom.
We interrupt your regularly scheduled program to give you an exclusive look at our crib.
Hello? Just kidding. Come on in. This is Jason over at GoPowerSports, and this is my cribs out here in Bristol, Tennessee. My crib. Come on in. This is the crib. I want you guys to kind of take it in. This is where me and a homie sit down. This is like where we chillax. Like I'd be like right here like blah, and they'd be over here like blah, and we just be having a conversation back and forth. This is the lounge area, decked out with some of the most beautiful furniture you've ever seen on the east side of the Mississippi. But no, if you are a guest in my house, you are always going to be living in luxury. I got you some sandals, also known as chancletas. I got you. As we take a step further, we have some of the nicest artwork that I've flown in from all over the world. This is an original Banksy. It just speaks to my soul. So my boy Banksy, that's a personal one-on-one. Don't look at this name. It doesn't say Banksy. It says SZA. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. It's like a surname, but yeah, whatever. From the catacombs of Egypt, we have some of the finest vases. These are made out of seaweed, mineral water, Himalayan salt, papyrus, which is really sweet. Nice and sturdy stuff. Just kidding, just kidding. Now my favorite part of the whole house. You already know what time it is. This is Das Bedroom, AKA where the magic happens. Now, I gotta show you guys something super special. I haven't even shown the world yet. You guys are the first. It's behind door number 4. You ready? I don't know if you're ready. You ready? All right, we're ready. We're looking at the GPS drift quad in the camo desert powder coat. Blah, blah. We got the billet cap on the unitank that's powder coated glossy black. We got a Tilson 225 engine with the juggernaut and the see-through cover. This thing is a ripper. If you want to see this, I'm taking this to ESPN tomorrow morning, showing it off at Motorhead Garage, and we're going to be taking this puppy for a test spin out of Nashville tomorrow. So, all right, you've seen my house, you've seen where the magic happens. I've shown you all my paintings. I've seen you where me and the homies lounge. I've shown you my slippers, my no poo-poo pee-pee toilet. Now it's time for you guys to get on out. So move. I don't need y'all in here. I need my beauty sleep. So later.
The other day I happened to just like be scrolling through old photos and saw all the photos of the first building being built. Like the showroom floor building.
Dude, where did you find those?
They're on Facebook.
I want to see them.
Yeah. When y'all used to do all your customer service work, when you guys had the office back there in the back of Rockwood, go-karts. Yep. Did you ever think like, okay, we're gonna be on ESPN one day doing this kind of stuff?
Heck no, dude. No way.
Kind
Moving
of
to Keller was a big step, and then we outgrew that first building pretty dang quick.
Yeah.
And then had to build the one behind it, and then outgrew that. We had to separate our showroom and the shipping receiving, which sucks. And now Boyd.
And ESPN.
Big warehouse in Boyd. It's gonna be awesome.
Are you ready for your post?
Are you, Jason? It's so nice to have you.
Hello, Taylor.
Hello, Taylor.
Nice to meet you.
Bernie.
Yeah.
Well, you're brand new to me.
I am,
Brand new, yes.
So tell me what your positions are.
CMO, marketing, he does all the R&D work, and he's our camera guy.
Yeah.
Always. Oh, I'm glad you're here to get some behind-the-scenes shots. Awesome.
Should have seen me 2 years ago.
Right.
And this is Jason.
Hello, Taylor.
That's Taylor. This is Bernie.
Hosting is actually all about the shoes here. I got my Vans that I wear for every show, so what you don't get to see is, I should do this at the beginning of the show. I should do the Mr. Rogers deal when I come in. So change my shirt and then I get into the Vans and we're ready to go.
Are you sponsored by Vans?
No, maybe I will be now
Yeah,
though.
sponsor us.
Come on, Vans, help me out.
But I get the most compliments on the reviews. I got them on Amazon for like $40.
Taylor Yoakum joins us. He's in the R&D department at GoPowerSports. You guys are always innovating, even after 70 years.
Yep.
And the proof's in the pudding here. This thing, I don't even know what to call this. What do we have here?
So this is the GoPowerSports, the GPS drift quad. What is a drift quad? It's like half mini bike up here, half go-kart down below. So it's kind of combining everything that we do, go-karts and mini bikes, into one unit.
And looking at this thing, it's pretty wild. What are some of the features that make this thing unique?
So we got 2 different tire packages for it. We have the racing slicks where you can really get down and dirty and go around a dirt track. And then we have like your neighborhood cruiser tire set, which is taller, probably a little easier to ride, and gives you a little more cushion.
I love the see-through case on the back side there.
Yep. So under that is the torque converter, which you get with the full-blown kit. This drift quad is powered by the 225cc Tillotson engine. It is 17 horsepower, revs about 8,500 RPM. This is a middle-of-the-line performance engine, but you can start stock and do slow upgrades from there.
And what are some of the options I have when I'm buying one of these?
So we sell it 5 different ways. You can buy just the frame, which comes with the frame, front axle, and spindles. Then you can get 2 different roller kits or 2 different full blown out models with engine and clutch included.
I know go-karts and mini bikes are kind of perceived as toys, but you guys are super serious now. I mean, to what level are you guys getting involved in building these things?
Well, like you're saying, you know, it's for fun and it's toys. So we start at backyard racing, like the old Manco go-karts where you're just racing in a circle in somebody's backyard, all the way up to junior dragster level engines. We do sprint racing, we do flat track racing, we do mini bike racing from off-road all the way to the drag strip.
All right, what if I want to go racing on a go-kart or a mini bike or one of these?
I'd say you start from ground zero. You give us a call, you let us know what your goals are, how fast you want to go, what kind of racing you're doing, and we'll set you up with everything you need.
And for folks who are looking for more than just backyard racing, how are you making competition more accessible?
We are finally launching the GPS racing department. We are fully focused on racing, engine development, and getting you set up with whatever you need to go as fast as you want, from circle track racing up to junior dragster type stuff.
Well, if you're looking to get a mini bike, a go-kart, a junior dragster, or a drift quad like this, and this thing is awesome, you want to go to GoPowerSports.com. I'm going there right away.
Glad it's over.
You did good. It's like you're on camera all the time or something. Okay, you can move it.
Were you able
I can send it up, I can send it up, I can send it. I can send it up, I can send it up.
Check, we broadcasting, ain't nobody ask, we splashing. Beats that had boom, now we moving massive. Breaking you down in the
After sending the drone up and getting some photos over at the Bristol Motor Speedway, security came by and told us to take it down. And this was the perfect time to grab some great barbecue. How'd you feel about it?
Delicious. If anyone's ever in Nashville looking for some barbecue, check out Peg Leg Porkers. Get the ribs. Start with the half rack. It's quite a bit of food.
You really can't go wrong with the half rack.
You can't go wrong, and it's good with hot sauce, no sauce, just regular barbecue sauce. The sides were delicious. The banana pudding was delicious, and the secret, get some Memphis sushi beforehand.
Yeah.
Delish.
How'd you feel about it?
Same, ditto. It was delicious. The ribs were very tender. A legit dry rub, like the outside is dry and
Yeah, crispy almost.
crispy. Yeah.